Bright Duty. Every student matters.
This is what it comes about that the Jila Parishad. This is in this pyramid also, in this triangle also, it is shown like that. At the top level, it is Jila Parishad in the Panchayati Raj system. Panchayat Samiti at the block level, Gram Panchayat at the village level. So now here we are coming to discuss with this the apex one, the topmost one, Jila Parishad. It is comprised of all the chairpersons of Panchayat Samitis. Whatever in the districts, already in the previous slides, we have studied about that. Hundreds of villages are there in one block. And that way, many of the blocks are there. Block Development Officer is a permanent officer in the block to take care of the Panchayat Samiti or the block Samiti. Here now, all these the chairpersons and the of the Panchayat Samitis in the district, the district collector, the deputy commissioner, and the representatives of the cooperative societies and the municipalities. All they are the members of the Jila Parishad. They are known as the members of the Jila Parishad. Apart from that, members of the Vidhan Sabha, that is MLAs, MLCs, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. The members of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are known as MPs only, because this is the two houses of the parliament. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are the two houses of the parliament, but their members are known as, or their members are called as the MPs only. Then whose constituencies are in that district are also included as the member of the Jila Parishad. Whose constituency, who they are the winner from that constituency are automatically, they are the members of the Jila Parishad. Here also, again, few seats are reserved for the SCs, STs and the OBCs. So this is about that, the constitution of the members of the Jila Parishad. Some of them they are elected, some of them they are the directly, indirectly, some of they are the permanent government officials, they are the part of the Jila Parishad. Now it is there. How the Jila Parishad elections are being held. So this is the governing. What does this mean? The Jila Parishad elections. Governing structure. Government of India, state government divisions. Divisions are means that the districts. Districts means that Jila Parishad. Here this red arrow is also been shown over here. So this is the entire structure of our governance. The government at the different levels. We have the government of India, which is known as the union government or central government. Then we have the state governments. Then we have the divisions. Divisions means it is been divided. District level, we have Jila Parishad. Then already we have discussed inside this, the Jila Parishad in urban area, we have municipal corporations or Mahanagar Palika. Then we have municipality, which is also known as Nagar Palika. And then we have the city councils, also known as Nagar Panchayat. Then we have the wards. Wards means that this small, the area has been divided. For the Lok Sabha elections, for the legislative assembly elections, we have the constituencies. In the same manner, here in the elections for the panchayats, elections for the Jila, elections for the municipal corporation and the municipalities, we have wards. So the members of the Jila Parishad elect a chairman and a vice chairman among themselves. Whosoever is the member of the Jila Parishad, they now nominate or declare a chairman and a vice chairman. The district collector or the deputy commissioner is not to be elected as a chairman or the vice chairman of the Jila Parishad. This is also very clear. District collector or deputy commissioner, they are not supposed to hold the position of the chairman or the vice chairman, as they are also the members of the Jila Parishad. So these members of the Jila Parishad are also elected for 5 years. Now the functions of Jila Parishad. what are the functions, the work done by the Jila Parishad? First of all, it is written over here Chief Executive Officer. Then we have administrative sections, development section, planning, accounts, council section. So this way the work is been divided among the different branches or in the different sections. Then it distributes funds allotted to the district by the government to the Panchayat Samitis. This is the most important work done by the Jila Parishad. Whatever the fund is allotted allotted to the district by the state governments, it has been distributed by the Jila Parishad. It also approves the budget of the Panchayat Samitis about their developmental programs, about the cooperative societies, about the fertilizers, about the subsidies. All such things are being discussed. All such things are being approved. The budget, when it has been given by the Panchayat Samitis, it has been approved by the Jila Parishad. This is also the one of the most important work. First of all, to allot the funds to the districts of the by the state government, whatever the fund is been released by them. Then it also approves the budgets of the Panchayat Samitis. It advises the government on all matters relating to development activities and allocation of work between Gram Panchayats and the Panchayat Samiti. Because all the Gram Panchayat are the members of the any one of the Panchayat Samiti. So the developmental program accordingly it has been allotted to the different villages and to the different Panchayat Samiti. So this is all about the functions of the Jila Parishad. First of all, it is distribution of the funds to the Panchayat Samitis, then approves the budget of the Panchayat Samiti. Budget approval is also required. Then it advises the government on all matters relating to development activities and the allocation of work between Gram Panchayats and the Panchayat Samiti. Which work is done by the village Panchayat and which work is done by the Panchayat Samiti. This allocation is also been done by the Jila Parishad. Then it comes about that how it maintains or the income from where they manage. So this is the sources of income of Jila Parishad. General water tax. Then it is about that what it says, the taxes which is there. Then this is about this, the Jila Parishad, they are just conducting a meeting for that. This is about the finance, how they are collecting the revenue. So simple way we are coming to discuss, the funds are collected by levying taxes or fees. Income from trusts, whatever the trusts are being run, donations and contributions from the Panchayat Samitis or from the public. Then it gets grants from all India bodies and institutions for the development of cottage and small scale industries. Every year the central government also, they plan a budget for the development of the villages. So in that form also it comes to them. It also gets fund allotted to Jila Parishad by the central or the state governments. Every year when the budget has been passed, some of the amount has been allocated for as a developmental program for the villages, and it comes to the Jila Parishad as a developmental program. So this is about that, the sources of income of the Jila Parishad. Here we are discussing about the sources of income of Jila Parishad. So some of the example is also been quoted over here, how they are collecting. Means that the taxes or fees, income from trusts, donations and contributions from the Panchayat Samitis or from the public. Public also they contribute for the developmental programs. Many of them they are there. It gets grants from all India bodies and the institutions for the development of cottage and small scale industries. Not only this is cottage and small scale industries are very important about that. When the Panchayat Samiti is planning for the development of the village, they also suggest all these programs. So the farmers and the laborers, the farm laborers, they can get some means extra income while they are not having any work in their farmland. And in those days, this is the other method of to increase their income. Other than that, they have to also get the funds allotted to Jila Parishad by the central or the state governments.